We've been taught that boredom is bad, that it means we're lazy, unproductive, or just plain wasting time. But here's the twist: science says boredom is a launch pad, a cognitive springboard, a mental reset button. When you're bored, your brain switches to what's called the default mode network. This is your mind-wandering mode. And guess what? That's when some of your most creative ideas are born. One study found that people who did a boring task like copying phone numbers were more creative afterward than those who didn't. Next time you're stuck on a problem, go get bored. Seriously. Do the dishes, stare at a wall, let the ideas flow. Ever solved a tough problem in the shower or while stuck in traffic? That's because boredom gives your brain space to work on background tasks. Instead of forcing answers, boredom lets your subconscious do the heavy lifting. Constant stimulation fries your brain. Boredom, on the other hand, is like a detox for your mind. It gives your mind time to regulate emotions, process thoughts, and recharge. That's why you feel mentally lighter after zoning out for a bit. Boredom is your brain telling you, yo, this isn't enough, we need meaning. That's powerful. It pushes you to seek purpose, learn new things, or chase goals. Now, here's how to hack boredom and turn it into a productivity powerhouse. Step 1. Embrace the silence. Turn off your phone, let your mind wander, trust the process. Step 2. Keep a boredom journal. Write whatever comes to mind. Wild ideas, half-baked plans, you'll be surprised what comes out. Step 3. Use micro-boredom moments. Waiting in line? Don't pull out your phone, let your thoughts drift. These mini moments are gold. Step 4. Do boring tasks intentionally. Washing dishes, folding clothes, these are mental playgrounds for your subconscious. Lean into them. So the next time you feel bored, don't fight it, embrace it. That's your brain saying, let's build something epic. Drop a comment below with the weirdest idea you've ever had while bored. Smash that like button if boredom ever gave you a genius idea. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing brain science.